If you spend lot of money to design your website to attract more calls and more sales and more leads to your business, but as per your expectation, you are not getting more calls to your business or you are not getting more leads to your business. Are you thinking how we can get top position on Google, and is there any ranking factors are there to get top position on Google? Yes, there are 200 plus factors are there. Based on these ranking factors, Google will give ranking to your website or your competitor website. In this video, we are going to discuss about some of the ranking factors to get top position on Google. Let's start. Hi, this is Mohan, founder and director of CES and SEO expert. So before we are going to discuss about our topic, please subscribe our channel and click bell icon to get latest notifications, and like, comment and share our video. Then coming to our topic, in this session we are going to discuss about some of the 11 Google ranking factors out of 200 ranking factors. Suppose you are offering wedding photography services or wedding planning services or like fashion designing institutes or some other services and some other products you are selling. Suppose if anyone search about your services, suppose you are offering like wedding photography or like fashion designing institutes, so like this you are offering your services. If anyone search about your services, suppose if you are available on Google first page, automatically you can attract more calls to your business or you can attract more visitors to your website to get top position on Google. So now we are going to discuss about some of the 11 Google ranking factors. First factor is keyword in title tag. For example, if anyone search about wedding photography, so your target is, so if anyone search about wedding photography, you want to get top position on Google. So whatever that keyword, whatever that word is there, like wedding photography, you should use that keyword in your title. So what is title? Suppose if you search anything in Google, like it will show the Google results page. This blue color line is nothing but title tag. This one is nothing but description. This one is nothing but URL. So you need to use your keyword in the title tag. That is the one factor. That is, once again I am telling, you should use your keyword in the title tag. Suppose if you have website, like kindly check that one. So you are using your keyword in title tag or not, kindly check that one. Then second factor, title tags start with keyword. Whenever you are writing your title tag, it should be 50 to 60 characters. For example, if you want to get top position on Google for wedding photographers, so use that keyword in the starting of the title tag. That is the one of the important ranking factor. Then third factor, keyword in description. Meta description is not directly Google ranking factor signal, but so if you use your keyword in the meta description, whenever you're searching for your keyword, for example, if I search wedding photographer, so if you check in the searching and results page, automatically that wedding photography keyword is highlighting. So because of that reason, people can click our page. So indirectly, it will improve our CTR. So if you use your keyword, if you write your meta description with attractive manner, so easily you can attract more clicks to your web page on searching and result page. Then fourth factor is URL length. Mostly URL should be short. Like some people use like with different keyword, for example wedding photography in Chennai or Bangalore, so people use like wedding hyphen photography hyphen in hyphen Chennai hyphen something, like they are using long URLs. So mostly try to reduce your URL in short. And one more thing, so whenever you are writing your URL, so you should use your keyword in the URL. Then fifth factor, country TLD extension. So whenever you're searching for anything, so you will see like .com, .co.in or .in, .jp or .au or .uk, like that you are seeing. Suppose your business in India. So if anyone search about your services on Google in India, so if you want get top position on Google in India, you can use .in. So if you use your website with a .jp or .au, .uk, you can't get top position on Google at this India location. Suppose you are focusing India, so use .in or .co.in. If it is available .com, so you can focus globally. But .in websites easily they can get top position on Google in India location. Then sixth one, entity match. So you should use that keyword in your content. Exact keyword you should use in your content and title tag, description, like URL. So like that you need to use exact keyword. Seventh one is duplicate content. Don't use duplicate content. Don't copy content from other websites and paste it in your website. If Google find so you are using duplicate content, so and you are copying from some other else, so automatically Google can ignore your website and your website is going to be damaged for this duplicate content. So kindly ignore duplicate content on your website. Then broken links. So one of the important thing is broken links. If is there any broken links in your website, it will reduce your crawl budget. So you need to focus on your broken links. So regularly 15 days once or every month or 3 months once, you should audit your website. is there any broken links, and immediately you should fix your broken links. So this is also one of the important ranking factors I feel. Ninth one is reading level. So this is also one of the important thing whenever you are writing your content. Whenever you are writing any content, even it is a one paragraph or one page or 100 words or 1000 words, use simple words, then only Google give some value to your website. Then image optimization. Whenever you are saving image in your content or in your blog or in your web page, save that image with keyword. For example, you are focusing or you are targeting for wedding photographer. So whenever saving that image in your web page, use your keyword in the image. Then only Google can understand this image discussing about like wedding photography or fashion design institute, like that. Google can understand about this image. So even some other search engines also can understand this image discussing about like photography or fashion designing or some other else. So what I'm going to say, like image optimization plays very important role. I implemented in many websites or many projects, like image optimization plays very important role. So if you are not going to save image with your keyword, automatically you're going to lose your ranking. Then coming to the alt text. So whenever you are saving image, that time it will ask alt text. So in alt text also you should use your keyword in the alt text. So then only Google can understand like this image is discussing about this particular topic. I hope you clear about these 11 search engine ranking factors. In the coming videos, we are going to discuss about some of the Google ranking factors. If you have any doubt or if you want any interesting topic on SEO, so please give comment. Based on that, I will make video and I will share it to you. Thank you so much for valuable time to watch this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.